Hey car fans, I'm Mike Berger with another CarSoup.com quick tip. Now it happens to all of us. You get a little dent in your car. Well, the good news is you don't have to live with that dent and you don't have to pay a fortune to have it fixed at the shop. There are DIY kits available that let you fix those small dents yourself. Let me show you how. The kit we're using for today's project is from Dent, and it consists of glue sticks and a hot glue gun, plus gaskets and the actual dent puller itself. The dent we're going to fix today is a pretty common type. You can see it right here. It's this shallow little pop in the metal. Now don't be startled when that dent pops out. You're going to hear a very loud noise, both from the metal releasing and from the plunger of the dent puller coming off of the body of the car. Now when you look at your repair, if you don't feel that dent has come out completely, go back and repeat the process a second time. I'm Mike Berger with CarSoup.com, and we'll see you down the road.